how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. So it's very easy. Most people don't know about this, but simply open up Instagram on your phone. After that, click on the top right on these three lines, and then after that you just have to click on settings, and then just simply click on account, and then after that, just simply click on privacy. After that, just simply click on help from over here, and then simply click on help center. And then it's going to take you over to the Instagram help center. From over here, just simply type in unfollow everyone. Now, once you guys click on unfollow everyone, after that, it's going to show you some results. So over here, I will just simply complete my search. I will click on search for unfollow everyone. And then after that, you guys are going to get all of these options. If you guys don't find what you're looking for, simply click on cross from the top left. And then after that, click on report a problem. From over here, just simply click on report problem without checking. And then it's going to take you over here. Just simply click on don't include and continue. Type in over here that I want to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. And their support is going to do that for you by just simply doing something at the back end. And they're going to email you to let you know that you have unfollowed every single person from Instagram. So guys, that is how you guys can unfollow every single person on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.